Hello everyone, it's Rachel here at Clarty Hands Crafts, and it's just a quick tutorial that I've got for you today showing you how to make one of these pockets. So it's just plain on the back, and then on the front we've got 3 pockets. We've got one in the back which is nice and large, and you can have this side open or you can seal it shut. That's completely up to you. Then we've got a middle pocket, and that one is sealed down this edge and obviously by this little bit here, so it's a bit narrower. And then we've got this one at the front as well. And then behind this flap you can have a writing space or a hidden note, message, you know, that kind of thing, or you can seal it shut if you would prefer. So let's get to it, shall we? Okay, so we're going to start with a piece of A4 paper, and if you don't have A4 then try whatever you've got. I don't know if it'll work, but you'll soon find out with the experimentation. The first thing that I want you to do is fold that in half lengthways. So we've got that in portrait orientation, and that if you keep to that, then it's going to make this a lot easier to follow along with. Not that this is hard at all. Okay, anyway, quit babbling, Rach. Now we're going to take the top corner, we're going to fold it back over so that it aligns with the folded edge on this, you know, this straight line. You can see anyway, I don't know how to explain it, but straight line to straight line, so that we've got a square up here cut into 2 triangles. And then we're going to flip the paper vertically, so do like that, and then we're going to do the same again. Top corner, fold over and align the straight edges. There we go. Now we can flip back to the front again. We're going to flip up the bottom edge, and we want to try and make, can you see this line here? We want that to be at the very bottom of the fold. So you just kind of have to wiggle it around a little bit until it's all lined up, and then you'll end up with that. And then we simply fold this triangle around, and that will hold it in place. Then we can add the glue. So we need to, well, I'm going to put the glue down under this crease here. So I'm going to be putting glue down this fold here, and that will create this pocket. And I'm also going to glue down the little triangle that we've got here, and that will hold it all in place. Okay, and then if you did want to seal this bit shut, then now is the time to do that. And that's basically it. So if I just show you how I glue. So we want to glue, can you see that we've got this flap here? If we put some glue over the top, then that will hold it down, just to stop it coming loose and wiggling around all over the place. Give that a squash, and then this one, let's just open that out, put a little blob of glue over the triangle bit, and then fold it back round to the inside. So that leaves us with 1, 2, 3 pockets, and I think for this one I'm just going to glue that side bit down as well. And then that's going to be a more secure one. Okay, and then what I didn't think about was this top triangle. So I'm just going to stick a little bit of glue in there, but you could make it into some kind of pocket if you wanted to. I'm just going to seal that top one shut, and I'm leaving the bottom one open so that there's space for writing. Then when you come to put this in your journal, let's see a page that's going to show you. So you can just glue 3 edges, 1, 2, 3, if you want to have a top loading pocket there as well. But it does depend on the kind of paper. I think the paper that I've used here is going to be too thin to do that with, so I'm just going to glue it completely down. But yeah, that's the idea anyway, and I hope you have some fun with this little pocket. And I'll see you again next time for my next video. Bye!